Hey there, let's read alphabet boats. A, B, C. Do you know your alphabet? Let's see what we find in this one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Raise the anchor. Grab the oars. Chart a course to distant shores. Cast off. Set sail. Splash. Alphabet boats. A is for airboat. Its flat hull skims glade and shoal. Here's the airboat. B is for barge, hauling freight such as coal. And there, look back here, here's an alligator that's eating an A. C is for catamaran, with stability and speed. D is for dory, cast a line where fish feed. See, these are dories, and these are catamarans. E is for electric boat, solar powered to take a trip. F is for fireboat, fighting fires on shore and ship. See, this boat puts the water to put out the fire. There's the fireboat. G is for gondola, cruise the Grand Canal propelled by oar. See, there's a gondola. H is for houseboat, a motorized home to move or moor. I is for iceboat, race along on runners or skis. J is for jet boat, it maneuvers with ease. K is for kayak, long and narrow to move faster. L is for lifeboat, rescue in case of disaster. And there's a lifeboat. Well, yeah. M is for motorboat, a high-speed thrill ride. N is for narrow boat, just 7 feet wide. O is for outrigger canoe with support float on the side. P is for punt, wield a pole and gently glide. Q is for Q-boat, an armed merchant ship. R is for racing shell, row and coast at a clip. S is for submarine, patrolling under the ocean. T is for tugboat, assisting vessels with motion. U is for umiak, used for migration and trade. V is for a very slender vessel, cutting through waves like a blade. W is for water taxi, commute, or tour, buses, boats to hail. X is for X-boats, to teach beginners to sail. Y is for yacht, private, elegant, and vast. Z is for Zebek, a merchant ship, light and fast. And then, traveling far from shore to sea, boats were carved from A to Z. Cast off, set sail, splash. Alphabet boats. And then here's more information that you can look over and read about each of those boats. There was only a few of those that I'm not familiar with, but most of those I've seen or been on. But look at all those different kinds of boats. Yeah. Look at all those. And the very slender vessel, it's a real kind of boat. It was developed for use by military forces. An X-boat, same thing, and it's a real one. So, hope you enjoyed seeing those different kinds of boats and that you subscribe and come back often. We'll see you next time here on Stories with Grandma. And in the meantime, if you want more books about boats and other forms of transportation, check out my transportation vehicles construction playlist, and you will see a bunch more of those kinds of books. We'll see you next time. Adios.